Hello everyone! This video is an intro to our new M2E Analytics app. Let's take a brief journey and discover the advantages it can offer to your business. Keep all relevant analytics at hand. M2E Analytics features a dynamic dashboard that keeps all the essential data in one place. This allows you to easily analyze crucial metrics like total sales and orders across various marketplaces. But that's just the beginning. Our app offers so much more than just monitoring sales figures. Let's move on. Monitor product performance. M2E Analytics empowers you to gain a deeper understanding of your product performance across integrated channels. You can easily track your product's success on each marketplace you sell on. Our app allows you to identify your top-performing items and also the ones that may require some optimization. Engage with the target audience. With M2E Analytics, you can get to know your customers on a whole new level. The app lets you explore consumer analytics based on different criteria like location by city and country. Understanding the percentage and the total number of buyers based on their location can help you personalize your advertising, which in turn improves your connection with your target audience. Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you on board and hope that you found this video helpful.